Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Lovlina Borgan's unfulfilled dream in Tokyo. Not satisfied with my bronze, will go for gold in Paris 2024. Failure has never been an option for India's bronze medal winning boxer Lovlina Borgan. Whether it's against an opponent in the boxing ring or against some age-old patriarchy. From the remote Baramukhia village in Assam's Kolghat district to concerning glory at the Tokyo Olympics, Lovlina Borgan's story is a testament to her character and courage that was on display even in her game in Tokyo. However, Lovlina's quest for gold ended in the semi-final match against Bhushanat Sumanli of Turkey, up against quite literally a bully in the ring. Borghan was completely outpunched by the eventual gold medalist Turkish boxer who produced a truly dominating performance. I entered the ring to win the bout. However, during the bout I realized that I might not be able to win it. But I didn't want it to quit. So I just kept on going till the last round. Unfortunately, I could not execute what I had planned. I could have done better, said Lovlina. Growing up, the pugilist had battled abject poverty and challenging conditions at his home to win an Olympic medal. I have faced a lot of difficulties since the time I have started boxing. It was an easy childhood. My parents were exposed to scornful comments from society because they have three daughters, recalled Lovlina. It is going to be a long road for Lovlina to achieve that dream. But the welterweight boxer knows the importance of patience and perseverance, and that she is just off the blocks. Congress alleges Twitter handles of five senior leaders, including Randeep Surjewala, blocked. Close on the heels of temporary suspension of Rahul Gandhi's Twitter account, the Congress on late Wednesday claimed that similar action was taken against the handles of five senior leaders, including media head Randeep Surjewala. The Twitter accounts of AICC General Secretary and former Minister Ajay Maken party whip in Lok Sabha, Manikam Tagore, Assam in charge, and former Union Minister Jitendra Singh and Mahila Congress President Sushmita Dev have been blocked, the party said. He thinks the virtual locks of Twitter will deter us from fighter from India, he asked. The Congress has accused Twitter of acting against Gandhi's account under pressure from the government. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights took cognizance of Gandhi's tweet and directed Twitter to act against the Congress leader account for violating the privacy of a minor victim mandated by the laws of the land. Neeraj Chopra ranked world number 2, gains 14 spots after Olympic gold in men's javelin. Neeraj Chopra moved from 16th spot to number 2 in world athletic rankings. India's javelin star Neeraj Chopra has moved up 14 places to the world number 2 in the latest World Athletics men's javelin rankings updated earlier this week. Neeraj was ranked 16th before he headed to the Olympics, but the 23-year-old was vaulted past several big names on the rankings after winning the gold medal in Tokyo. Neeraj Chopra won the men's javelin gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics, thereby becoming the first ever Indian track and field athlete to finish on the top step of the podium at the Games. Neeraj won the final with a throw of 87.58 meters, the fourth best gold medal winning throw since 2000 at the Olympics. Poland's Marcin Krupowski is at the third spot, while Tokyo Olympic silver medalist Jakub Veldage and Germany's Julian Weber complete the top 5 in men's javelin ranking. Johannes Vetter 1396 points, Neeraj Chopra 1315 points, Marcin Krupowski 1302 points, Jakub Veldage 1298 points, Julian Weber 1291 points. I didn't think about gold, but to be honest, your world ranking does not matter once you reach the Olympics. I used to believe that it is completely dependent upon what kind of a day you are having, and now I am even firmer in that belief. I was just focusing on my throw, though even if he had done well, I don't think I would have taken in pressure. Maybe I might have been put in a bigger throw if he was performing at his best. Neeraj told India Today Rajdeep Sardeshi.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিন। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.